The purpose of the group of friends is to express global solidarity toward the global goals for hepatitis elimination.
Considering the gravity of hepatitis as a global health problem and the need for advocacy with governments and relative stakeholders on prevention, diagnosis, and treatment, it is evident that we can only overcome this disease through international solidarity and cooperation to ensure that we leave no one behind.
Now, our participation in this leadership circle also shows, I believe, our solidarity and also our commitment to contributing to eliminating hepatitis.
We urge everyone to embrace tenacity. Tenacity.
It is my great honor to speak to you on behalf of Korean government to reaffirm political commitment to eliminate viral hepatitis by 2030.
We are looking forward to continue our work with the member states, the coalition, and other partners of the group of friends.
As a global community, we can and we must eliminate hepatitis, securing a healthier future for all.
So really we have to pick up the pace now to 2030 and beyond. And with the cure and with treatment and a vaccination for hepatitis B, there's no reason why we can't do that.
We have a solution, but people still lack access to this, either because of lack of commitment or no commitment, or because of the discriminatory policies that affects people who live in hepatitis.
And hepatitis, it's not a sleeping dragon. It's a silent dragon that is moving globally. In Africa alone, we have over 70 million Africans living with hepatitis C and B.
We should be ashamed that only 43% of infants are receiving birth dose, and that we've decided that these children's lives are not worth spending 20 cents on. It is time for us to do everything to end the cycle.
We share the prospect of being judged by history, by humanity, by our own children in the future. When they ask us, when we had the opportunity, what did we do?
There's only a small cadre of humans that can see beyond themselves, the other person, really be involved in something good for humanity, good for global health, and that is doable. So I see this UN group of friends as part of that small cadre, have this vision, willing to work hard to make this human health and survival.